So instead of saying say hello, let's introduce our first parameter and passing an argument. So let's have it say, we can just call it say, and then it takes in a string.
Sure. So I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to remove say goodbye from now and keep say hello around so we can take a look at it. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a static void say string, I don't know, line, console right line, um, uh, okay, and then I'll jump out of the loop for now just to make things a little bit cleaner. And then maybe just to make things even more explicit, explicit is good. I didn't say explicit, I said oh, I did. Wait, what? I think that could be taken in a completely
Mm-hmm.
horrible way, couldn't it?
Yeah.
Um, okay, so what we have right here is an example of a parameter. The wonderful things about parameters is that parameters allow us to change the behavior of a method, and we can change the behavior of the method per invocation. Parameters are a really good way to make your methods reusable. What do I mean by that? Well, we have an invocation of say right here, and we're passing in hello world, but let's do another invocation of say. Let's say goodbye world, and say whoa and stuff, and so on. We can do this all day. And when I hit F5, what we get is the result of this method executing, but most importantly, the result of this method executing given a particular bit of data that we can change